Welcome back to the channel where we break down the tech that's shaping our world. Today, we're diving into the top 10 tech trends of 2024. AI on your phone, brain-computer interfaces, the cybersecurity arms race, and more. Let's get started. Generative AI is no longer a novelty, a futuristic concept, or a niche tool. It has permeated nearly every aspect of our digital lives. It's everywhere. From personal use to professional applications, generative AI is reshaping how we interact with technology. Tools like ChatGPT, with their ability to generate human-like text, and Midjourney, capable of creating stunning visuals from simple text prompts, have gone mainstream, becoming household names and essential tools for many. They are transforming productivity and creativity, enabling us to accomplish more in less time and explore new creative horizons. AI drafts emails, helping us communicate more efficiently, writes code, assisting developers in building software faster and more effectively, generates art and composes music, opening up new avenues for artistic expression and innovation, augmenting human creativity rather than replacing it, fostering a collaborative relationship between humans and machines. Microsoft's Copilot, integrated directly into your workflow, and Google's AI features, seamlessly embedded within their suite of tools, are now built into everyday apps, becoming an integral part of our daily routines. This makes AI an invisible but indispensable part of our workflow, enhancing our capabilities without requiring us to drastically change our habits. The real story? What's truly significant? AI is now a baseline expectation in creative and technical work, a fundamental requirement for staying competitive and innovative. It's not about going to a special app or learning a completely new system. It's just there, quietly and efficiently working in the background, making your tools smarter, more intuitive, and more powerful. This widespread integration, this pervasive presence of AI, is the foundation for everything else we'll cover today, the bedrock upon which the future of work and creativity is being built. The next big shift, AI is moving from the cloud to your device. Powerful chips in phones and laptops now run advanced AI models locally, no internet required. Apple Intelligence and Google's Gemini Nano keep your data private and make AI lightning fast. On-device AI means instant responses and better privacy as your personal info never leaves your device. Qualcomm's Snapdragon chips are driving this trend too. The result, AI that's more personal, secure, and immediate. It's a fundamental change that puts you back in control. Edge computing takes on-device AI even further. Smart cameras, sensors, cars, and wearables now process data locally, not in the cloud. Your security camera can spot a person or a pet, instantly saving bandwidth and protecting your privacy. In factories, Edge AI spots defects in real time in wearables. It analyzes your health data on the spot. This decentralizes intelligence, making our environment smarter and more efficient. Edge AI is transforming everything from agriculture to healthcare. The future is local, fast, and private. With smarter tech constantly emerging and evolving, comes smarter threats. The digital landscape is becoming increasingly complex, demanding more sophisticated security measures. AI is now a double-edged sword, powering both cyber attacks and defenses. It's a constant battle of innovation and counter-innovation, where staying ahead requires continuous learning and adaptation. Think hyper-realistic phishing, crafted with an unprecedented level of sophistication. Deepfake scams that can convincingly impersonate anyone. And AI-generated malware, capable of evolving and adapting to security measures. Security systems now use AI to fight back, leveraging its power. To spot new threats in real time, analyzing vast amounts of data to identify anomalies and patterns. Moving from reactive to proactive defense, anticipating attacks before they even happen. Passkeys. And AI red teaming, which uses AI to simulate attacks and identify vulnerabilities, are replacing old-school passwords, which are increasingly vulnerable to modern hacking techniques, and patching vulnerabilities before hackers can exploit them, closing security gaps before they can be taken advantage of. For everyone, it means being more vigilant, exercising caution in every online interaction, questioning emails, especially those that seem too good to be true, calls, verifying the identity of the caller before sharing any personal information, and even videos, being aware of the potential for manipulation and deception. The line between real and fake is blurrier than ever, making it harder to discern what's genuine and what's not. The cybersecurity arms race is on, with both attackers and defenders constantly developing new tools and techniques. And AI is at the center, playing a crucial role in both offense and defense. Stay alert. Vigilance is key in this ever-evolving digital battlefield. All this AI power comes at a cost: energy. Data centers use massive amounts of electricity and water, so the industry is shifting to greener tech. ARM-based chips like Amazon's Graviton and Microsoft's Cobalt are making data centers more efficient. Companies are building in cold climates using renewables and experimenting with liquid cooling. Smaller, more efficient AI models reduce the need for energy-hungry servers. Running AI locally also cuts the environmental impact. The future of tech must be sustainable, or there won't be a future to power. Spatial computing, once confined to the realm of science fiction, is finally breaking out of the gaming niche and entering the mainstream. It's evolving beyond simple virtual reality experiences. Apple's Vision Pro, with its sleek design and advanced capabilities, and MetaQuest 3, offering a more accessible entry point, are leading the charge in blending digital and physical worlds, creating experiences that feel both real and virtual. Imagine floating emails, seamlessly integrated into your environment, interactive 3D models that you can manipulate with your hands, and immersive movies that transform your living room into a personal cinema. Architects, surgeons, and remote teams are already discovering the power of spatial computing. They are using these devices for real-world applications, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From collaborative design reviews to complex surgical procedures and seamless team collaboration, the possibilities are vast. It's a new way to interact with information, more intuitive, more engaging, and more natural. It moves us beyond the limitations of flat screens and traditional interfaces. We're still early in this journey, but the foundation for a new computing paradigm is here, and it's rapidly evolving. Spatial computing has the potential to be as transformative as the PC or the smartphone, fundamentally changing how we work, play, and connect. The future is immersive, and it's closer than you think. Robotics and automation are moving out of factories and into everyday life. Smarter robots now work in warehouses, deliver packages, and even assist in hospitals. In agriculture, autonomous tractors and harvesters are boosting efficiency and sustainability. Medical robots are enabling more precise, less invasive surgeries. AI is giving robots the brains to handle complex, real-world tasks. From logistics to healthcare, automation is transforming industries. The age of smart robots is here. As big tech collects more data, a counter-trend is rising decentralized and private tech. Blockchain-based digital identities let you control your own data, not hand it to Google or Facebook. Privacy-first apps like Signal and Brave are gaining traction. Decentralized social platforms promise no central authority can censor or exploit your data. Users are choosing privacy over convenience, forcing the industry to rethink data practices. It's a philosophical shift. Your data, your rules, privacy is making a comeback. None of this tech works without fast, reliable connectivity. 5G is finally delivering gigabit speeds and low latency, powering smart cities and factories. Meanwhile, satellite internet, led by Starlink, is bringing broadband to remote areas worldwide. Soon phones will switch seamlessly between 5G and satellites for always-on coverage. This connectivity is the invisible backbone for AI, IoT, and spatial computing. The world is getting connected, everywhere. The digital divide is shrinking. The most mind-blowing trend? Brain-computer interfaces. Neuralink and others are moving from theory to real-world human trials. Paralyzed patients are controlling computers with their thoughts, restoring autonomy and communication. Less invasive BCIs are being tested for gaming wellness, and more. The ethical questions are huge: privacy, consent, and control. We're just scratching the surface, but the brain-digital barrier is dissolving. The future of human-computer interaction is here. That's the top 10 tech trends shaping 2024. From AI in your pocket to brain-computer interfaces, the pace of change is staggering. Which trend excites or worries you most? Drop a comment below, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video on the top 5 AI tools to boost your productivity. The future is happening now. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching.